Hello, and welcome to Easy English Tube. My name is Anna, and this is your place to learn easy English, step by step. Hi, Anna. Hi, everyone. We speak slowly. We use easy words.
You can understand. You can learn English with us.
Before we start, please subscribe to this channel. Click on subscribe.
Yes, please subscribe. It helps the channel, and you get more Easy English Tube lessons.
Great. Now, let's begin. Mark, what do you do in your free time?
In my free time, I listen to music. I sometimes play games.
Can you play the guitar?
Yes, I can. But I can't sing very well.
Good. Listener, your turn. Can you cook? Say, yes, I can. Or, no, I can't. Nice. Now we learn something new. Today we talk about family and jobs. We also use he and she in sentences.
Family and jobs. Very important words.
First, family. Listen to the words. Mother,
Mother,
father,
father,
parents,
parents,
brother,
brother,
sister,
sister,
son,
son,
daughter,
daughter,
husband,
husband,
wife,
wife,
family.
family,
Listener, say them with us. Mother, father, parents,
brother, sister,
son, daughter.
husband, wife, family.
Very good. Now, small sentences. This is my mother.
This is my father.
This is my brother.
This is my sister.
I have a son.
I have a daughter.
Listener, your turn. Say one sentence. For example, this is my mother. Or, this is my brother. Say it now.
Great. Now, jobs. A job is work, what you do every day. Listen. Teacher,
Teacher,
student,
student,
doctor,
doctor,
nurse,
nurse,
driver,
driver,
cook,
cook,
worker,
worker,
police officer,
police officer,
shop assistant.
shop assistant,
Listener, say them with us. Teacher, student, doctor, nurse.
driver, cook, worker, police officer, shop assistant.
Very good. Now, sentences with I am. I am a teacher.
I am a student.
I am a driver.
I am a worker.
Listener, your turn. Think about your job, or choose one job. Say, I am a. For example, I am a student. Say it now. Nice.
Now we use he and she. He is for a man. She is for a woman. Listen. He is a doctor.
He is a doctor.
She is a teacher.
She is a teacher.
He is a driver.
He is a driver.
She is a nurse.
She is a nurse.
Now with family. My father is a driver.
My mother is a teacher.
My brother is a student.
My sister is a nurse.
Listener, repeat one or two sentences. My father is a driver.
My mother is a teacher.
Very good. Now you make a sentence. Think of one person in your family. For example, my brother is a student, or my sister is a doctor. Now you say your sentence. Excellent.
Now we learn have and has. Listen. I have a brother.
I have a brother.
I have a sister.
You have 2 brothers.
For he and she, we say has. He has a car.
She has a car.
He has 2 sisters.
She has 1 brother.
Now with family. He has a big family.
She has 2 children.
Children equals sons and daughters.
Yes, 1 son and 1 daughter equals 2 children.
Listener, repeat some sentences. I have a brother.
I have a sister.
He has a big family.
She has 2 children.
Very good. Now your turn. Say, I have. For example, I have 1 brother. I have 2 sisters. Say your sentence now. Great.
Now we talk about jobs and places together. Listen. A teacher works in a school.
A teacher works in a school.
A doctor works in a hospital.
A doctor works in a hospital.
A shop assistant works in a shop.
A driver works in a car or a bus.
Now with he and she. He is a doctor. He works in a hospital.
She is a teacher. She works in a school.
He is a cook. He works in a restaurant.
She is a shop assistant. She works in a supermarket.
Listener, repeat 2 sentences. He is a doctor. He works in a hospital.
She is a teacher. She works in a school.
Very good. Now, small questions. What is his job?
He is a doctor.
Where does he work?
He works in a hospital.
What is her job?
She is a nurse.
Where does she work?
She works in a hospital.
Listener, your turn. Think of one person. Maybe real, maybe not real. Ask and answer. What is his job? Say, he is a. Where does he work? Or say, he works in a. Or, what is her job? Say, she is a. Where does she work? Say, she works in a. Say it now. Nice. Now, Mark tells us a story about his family. Simple English. Listen and try to understand.
Okay. My name is Mark. I am a student. I have a small family. I have 1 brother and 1 sister. My father is a driver. He drives a bus. He works in the city. My mother is a nurse. She works in a hospital. My brother is 16 years old. He is a student. He likes games. He can play computer games very well. My sister is 10 years old. She is a student too. She likes books. She can read English a little. In the evening, we sit in the living room. My father watches TV. My mother reads a book. I study English. My brother plays games. My sister listens to music.
Very nice family. Listener, did you understand? Let's say some facts again. Mark's father is a,
He is a driver.
he works in a,
He works in the city.
Mark's mother is a,
She is a nurse.
she works in a,
She works in a hospital.
listener, repeat. His father is a driver. His mother is a nurse. Good. Now it's about you. Listener, think about your family. Say your name. Say your job. For example, my name is Sarah. I am a student. Now think of two people in your family. For example, your mother and your father. Make sentences. My mother is a, she works in a, my father is a, he works in a. Mark, give one example.
My mother is a teacher. She works in a school. My father is a cook. He works in a restaurant.
Good. Listener, now you say your sentences. You can pause the podcast, then speak. Very good. Let's review together. Family words.
Mother, father, parents, brother, sister, son, daughter, husband, wife, family. Jobs: teacher, student, doctor, nurse, driver, cook, worker, police officer, shop assistant.
He, she, sentences.
He is a doctor. She is a teacher.
Have, has.
I have a brother. She has 2 children.
Jobs and places.
A doctor works in a hospital. A teacher works in a school. A cook works in a restaurant.
You did a lot today. You learned family words. You learned jobs. You used he, she, have, has.
You can listen again. You can pause and repeat.
And please, subscribe to Easy English Tube. When you subscribe, you get more lessons.
Yes, and like the video too.
Thank you for learning with us today.
You did a very good job.
See you next time on Easy English Tube.
See you next time.
Bye-bye.
Bye.